May peace be upon you. Allah Almighty has created innumerable blessings for man to eat and drink, and some of them have the potential to meet both food and water shortages. One of them is watermelon. Not only is it delicious, but it is also very nutritious. Eating watermelon not only quenches thirst but also relieves hunger. Watermelon is a fruit that is high in water. That is why eating watermelon in summer not only makes up for the lack of water, rather, the stomach and body in particular remain cool. Eating watermelon is very beneficial in many diseases. Watermelon is also very beneficial for weight loss, but you will be surprised to know that watermelon should not be eaten at all in some diseases, because in some cases if you eat watermelon, so it can do you more harm than good. What are the benefits of eating watermelon? And what people should avoid eating it? Let's know the advantages and disadvantages of watermelon. If anyone has a stone problem, so you must eat watermelon. People who have kidney stones, or else there is a problem with stones, so they eat plenty of watermelon, because watermelon has more water, and it also helps cleanse the kidneys. Therefore, his food will be beneficial. If anyone has a problem with stones, watermelon is also very beneficial for weight loss. Watermelon must be included in the weight loss diet. Watermelon has very few calories, but it keeps the stomach full for a long time. 100 grams of watermelon contains only 30 grams of calories. It contains about 1 milligram of sodium carbohydrate, 8 grams of fiber, CISO index, 4 grams of sugar, 6 grams of vitamins, vitamin A 11%, 13% of vitamin C. Protein 0 has an index of 6. Watermelon boosts the immune system, and also beneficial for the eyes. Watermelon rich in vitamin C and A strengthens the immune system, and also great for the eyes. Eating watermelon not only cools the stomach and body, it also keeps the mind cool. The effect of eating watermelon is considered cold, and eating watermelon not only makes you feel cool, it also calms the intelligent. So whenever you have a severe headache, be sure to eat watermelon. It also gives you immediate relief from headaches. Grind its seeds and apply it on your forehead. It also cures headaches. The effect of eating watermelon is considered cold, and eating watermelon not only makes you feel cool, it also calms the intelligent. So whenever you have a severe headache, be sure to eat watermelon. It also gives you immediate relief from headaches. Grind its seeds and apply it on your forehead. It also cures headaches. Watermelon is also very beneficial for patients with high blood pressure. People with high blood pressure, they must eat watermelon. Watermelon contains very little sodium and is also cold. These were the benefits of watermelon. Now let's talk about which people should not eat watermelon. Watermelon should not be eaten by such people: those who have asthma or allergies, because the effect is cold, and it can cause inflammation in the vein pipe. By the way, it can increase the problem of sneezing. If you are eating rice or yogurt, you should stay away from watermelon, because eating watermelon at this time does more harm than good. If your stomach is empty, or you may be thinking of eating watermelon in the morning, so change that habit. Eating watermelon on an empty stomach can also cause stomach pain. Never drink water immediately after eating watermelon. Drinking water immediately can also cause vomiting, because watermelon is not useful in adverse conditions. So guys, that's all in today's video. If you liked the video, please like it, and be sure to share with your other friends and acquaintances. Click the share button below the video to share, and be sure to share it on Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to our channel.
हमारी वीडियो को लाइक करें। ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल गौरी फॉर यू को सब्सक्राइब करें। बेहद शुक्रिया।